Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage invoices with FreshBooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage invoices with FreshBooks, begin by signing up or logging into your FreshBooks account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Invoices tab on the left sidebar and click on it. To create a new invoice, click on the New Invoice button. Choose the client for whom you are creating the invoice from the drop-down list. If the client isn't already in your system, you can add a new client by clicking Add New Client. After selecting the client, fill in the invoice details, including the date and due date. Next, add a line item by clicking Add Item. Enter the description of the service or product you provided. Specify the quantity and the rate for that item. FreshBooks will automatically calculate the total for you. If you need to add more items, click Add Item again and repeat the process. You can also include discounts, taxes, and additional notes in the designated fields. Once all information is filled out, review the invoice for accuracy. If everything looks good, click Save to save the invoice as a draft or send to email it directly to the client. After sending, you can track the status of the invoice on the invoice page. If your client has questions or disputes the invoice, you can use the comments feature for easy communication. To edit an invoice, simply click on it from the invoice list, make your changes, and then save again. If necessary, you can also duplicate an invoice for recurring billing. Always keep an eye on overdue invoices to maintain healthy cash flow. Utilize the reporting features to track your invoices and overall financial performance. Managing invoices efficiently in FreshBooks streamlines your accounting process and helps you stay organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.